Hi everyone, I'm Amy. Today I'm making peanut butter Rocky Road fudge. This recipe combines milk chocolate and butterscotch morsels with peanut butter, marshmallows, and peanuts. So let's get started. Take an 8x8 pan and line it with foil and then spray it with nonstick cooking spray and then set it aside. In a microwave safe bowl, add 6 ounces of milk chocolate chips, 6 ounces of butterscotch chips, and a half a cup of peanut butter. Now melt this in the microwave in 20 to 30 second intervals, stirring each time until it's melted. Then stir it together until it's well combined. Then add 3 cups of mini marshmallows and a half a cup of peanuts. Stir this together until it's well combined. Now place the mixture into your prepared pan. Now just chill this in the refrigerator until it sets up. Then cut it into squares to serve. And here it is, peanut butter Rocky Road fudge. This delicious, creamy, and crunchy treat is really easy to make. For this recipe and many more, check out my website at amylynnskitchen.com. You can also find me on Instagram, Twitter, and Facebook. Today I'm making peanut butter Rocky Road.
Fudge.
Fudge? We're calling it fudge. And then set it aside. This is a creamy and I knew I was gonna mess that up. This is a delicious, creamy and crunchy tweet. No, we're gonna be here all night if I. Rocky Road. No, I forgot the peanut butter part. And here it is, peanut butter fudge. I don't know what I was gonna say. What was that? Oh, this is gonna melt. I gotta get this. Peanut butter. What is it?
Rocky Road.
Rocky Road fudge. Check out my website at amylynnskitchen.com. There was a car, just messed it all up. I had it, and then there was a car. And here it is, peanut butter. Oh my goodness. My voice cracked, I don't care. And here it is, peanut butter Rocky Road fudge.